Botswana. Hello, universe. My name is Ojahile. I am 33 years old and I'm a mother of one. I have a degree in tourism and hospitality management. I am super passionate about empowering young people and giving back to those who are in need, be it tangibles or just knowledge. Seeing someone stand and rise above their situation makes me sleep at night, especially when I know that I had an input in it. And I believe as a public figure, I'd help break the stigma by openly talking about issues that we face to help others open up and beat depression. I am a firm believer of action. Therefore, I will not just be speaking. I'll put into action possible ideas and plans that could be helpful. I'll build partnership with both NGOs and government entities to create job skill workshops, mentorship, and safe space to talk without being judged. Thank you.